What is up, YouTube, man? Some of you know me, some of you don't know me. You know, it's Tally Sith from Tally Sith Reacts. Anyway, welcome to my vlog channel. Now, in today's video, by the way, this is the first video on the channel, January 16th, 2024. We're filming the first video for the vlog channel, The Amazing World of Tally Sith. Make sure you stick around by clicking the sub button. Today, we're going to my boy Shaun Bless's crib. We're gonna shoot some video. We're gonna be rapping in the studio because my boy's a rapper. Your boy's a rapper. You know, like I'm gonna be spitting some bars. I'm gonna spit some bars. You know, if you want to hear the song that we're gonna make, you should stick around the whole video so you can enjoy the whole experience. And then I'm gonna link the song that we're gonna make at the end of this video. Don't scroll to the end to listen to the song. Watch the whole video. Okay? Click the sub button right now. Right now, boy. Boy. Listen, boy. Boy, click the sub button right now, boy. I'm at the boy's house. Let's go meet him. It's my other boy's house. He's been over there. What up, boy? Why are you sitting outside?
Getting high.
Okay.
Just getting back.
No, you need this to focus. Like if you point at yourself, like.
This is coming back.
Oh.
Slide.
Alright, boy. Alright. Is this what you was working on?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
I been pushing paper 1 million. I been pushing paper 1 million. Bitches on my back like I'm a ball shake. Foxy staring at me looking fly. She banging on my back, she know they feel it. Banging on my neck, this shit is deja vu. She banging on my back, she know they feel it. She banging on my neck, this shit is deja vu.
Now I know what you guys are thinking. Aren't you supposed to be rapping and everything? Don't worry, it's the next part after this voice note right here. We're just gonna discuss a few over the beat that's playing. I'm gonna tell him like what the song is gonna be about and everything, and then like we're gonna cut to me rapping and everything. Okay, let's get it. Just let this be like about like right how about how like the world is a cold place, you know. You got cool people in the world. Sometimes you gotta be the bad guy, you know what I'm saying?
I got something for them. I got something.
By the way, this instrumental was provided to us by a YouTube beat maker by the name of Lex Noir Beats. He makes beats for Dax. So his channel's linked in the description. That's the only place I glide. High up in the sky is the safest place I found. Oh, high up in the sky, I can feel my spirit cry. High up in the sky, high up in the sky. High up in the sky. Ready to record.
Yeah. Do you mind turning it off? That's right.
Sky.
High up in the sky. Roll up, let's take flight. The world really got me freezing 'cause it's too cold. Hoping that you hold me. I'm hoping that you hold me. But I can't rely on nobody else but myself. That's why I'm never resting. Always trying to plot, yeah. Gotta get the bag for real. Nothing really matters but yourself. But yourself. Love got it. Okay. High up in the sky. Roll up, let's take flight. The world really got me freezing 'cause it's too cold. Hoping that you hold me. I'm hoping that you hold me. But I can't rely on nobody else but myself. That's why I'm never resting. Always trying to plot, yeah. Gotta get the bag for real. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters but yourself. But yourself. Okay.
Ready to record?
Yeah. High up in the sky. Roll up, let's take flight. The world really got me freezing 'cause it's too cold. Hoping that you hold me. I'm hoping that you hold me. But I can't rely on nobody else but myself. That's why I'm never resting. Always trying to plot, yeah.
Place I glide. High up in the sky is the safest place I found. Oh, high up in the sky, I can feel. Yo, it hits hard when I'm in the booth. I swallow my feelings like Charlie Puth. Talk to myself looking at the roof. When I'm down in pain, don't know what to do. When I was a guy. Start again. Yeah, it hits hard when I'm in the booth. I swallow my feelings like Charlie Puth.
Yeah, gotta get the bag for real. Nothing really matters but yourself, but yourself. Love got me in a chokehold. I can't breathe. Mixed emotions got me suffocated. I'm stuck on the desert in my head. I'm sinking too deep in my heartache. I'm sinking too deep in my heartache. But yourself. Love got me in a chokehold. I can't breathe. Mixed emotions got me suffocated. I'm stuck on the desert in my head. I'm sinking too deep in my heartache. I'm sinking.
Lying while you're always crying. My father tired about a Ryan. You were born a lion. You were born to take, to assimilate, to accumulate, and go all the way. Reason I'm always yelling in your face. The world really is a cold place.
Man, they just took the pictures back that out of the blue.
He's doing it.
I spoke out in space, trying to cost you like money, I just wanna make it done. Got 2 days of school like dog. Don't need nobody away. Right, some days I'm a little bit sad. Twice the last, to the right sky, popping on to the shot. All the niggas hear me off the cold, talking in reverse, I don't make sense.
And that's pretty much the whole video, guys. I'm going to leave a snippet of the song that we made in the studio, me and Shaun, at the end of this video. And then if you guys want to go listen to the full song, you can go click the link in the description. It will take you to the channel which has the full song. And then if you guys like it enough, you can even like make a music video if you wanted to. Also go support Lex Noir Beats. This is his instrumental on a beat. So yeah, thank you guys for watching so much.
High up in the sky, that's the only place I glide. High up in the sky, it's the safest place I found. Oh, high up in the sky, I can feel my spirit cry. High up in the sky, high up in the sky, high up in the sky, right? Roll up, let's take flight.